Meaning of Gaelic.
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 Gaelic. The term Gaelic refers to a group of closely related Celtic languages spoken primarily in Scotland, Ireland, and the Isle of Man. The word comes from the Old Irish word Gaelic, which was used to describe the Celtic-speaking peoples of Ireland and Scotland in the early Middle Ages. Today, the surviving Gaelic languages include Irish Gaelic, Scottish Gaelic, and Manx Gaelic, each with its own unique dialects and cultural nuances. These languages have a rich literary and oral tradition, and efforts continue to promote their preservation and use in modern times.